curly girls. I'm Francisca Valdez, aka known as Des, and today I want to tell y'all about my horrible DIY experience. So this weekend I wanted to try a new DIY mask, which I tend to do on the weekends, and I saw this one that I knew I had all the ingredients for, which was a banana mask. And so all you need is obviously the banana. You need olive oil and a lemon so you can pour out the lemon juice from it. And so I did that. All right, so I got a banana, you know, I cut it up to smaller pieces. I got some olive oil that I had, and I squeezed out a lemon about like that big. It's a pretty big lemon. And I whisked it, which was the problem. I don't understand why I whisked it, but I whisked it. And no, I do know why. I was feeling lazy and didn't decide to actually use a blender because I didn't want to wash out the olive oil from the blender because I felt like that was going to be a pain. And yeah, so I whisked it. And I was like, okay, it's looking pretty like thin, you know? Like, I'm like, okay, yeah, this would be great. So then I put it in my hair. I leave it in my hair for about an hour. And then my friend, she had calls me asking if I wanted to go to the movies in about an hour from when I was going to go. An hour from when she called me, and then I was like, yeah, perfect. So I get in the shower and I'm trying to wash out the mask, and I realized that there's a bunch of chunks of banana in my hair. And I'm like, okay, this is fine. So I just like kept washing it and realized that it wasn't coming out. So if you get things stuck in your hair, a great solution, which I have learned from this weekend's disaster, is to get olive oil and just like keep putting olive oil and just like pull it down and pull it down and pull it down until you get everything out. So I had to literally put olive oil in my hair, and I didn't have enough time to wash it out. So I went to the movies with olive oil in my hair and probably some chunks of banana still, and I threw a hat on and a bun, and I went to the movies like this. So you gotta make sure you have enough time to do your hair, you know what I mean? Can't just say yeah. So moral of the story is, 1, don't be lazy like me, and 2, if you decide to do a mask with a thick consistency, make sure you use a blender because you want it to be as small as possible so it doesn't get stuck in your hair. I think I still have some stuck in my hair somewhere. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be here next Friday for another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys soon. Oh, look how big my hair is getting. Oh. Bye, guys.